Всем привет! Hi everyone! Now that you learned how to say goodbye in Russian, it is time to use all that knowledge and practice. Task 1. You will hear the situation you find yourself in. What would you say? Pause the video when you see this symbol, say the appropriate Russian expression, resume and check. Let's start.
You had a great day with your friends. It's time for you to go though. But you hope you'll see them soon. You say, see you soon. Увидимся. До скорого. You just finished a business meeting with a new client. Before you leave, you say, goodbye. Have a good day. До свидания. Хорошего дня. You work at a coffee shop as a barista. The customer is leaving. You say, goodbye, all the best. До свидания, всего доброго. Your son is leaving for school. You tell him, good luck. Удачи. You had a good day with your friend. She says she'd better go home now. You say, well, okay then, bye-bye. Ну, давай, пока. The night out with your family has lasted too long. You feel tired. You say, I have to go. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Мне пора. Всем пока. До завтра.
Great job! Let's recap. Пока. Bye-bye. Увидимся. See you. До скорого. See you soon. До завтра. See you tomorrow. Мне пора. Gotta go. Ну, давай. Well, okay then. Счастливо. Have a good one. Удачи. Good luck. До свидания. Goodbye. Хорошего дня. Have a good day. All the best. Всего доброго. До скорого. Всем пока.